Introducing Skyjack's electric compact rough terrain scissor lifts. This compact range is an ideal choice for a wide range of indoor and outdoor applications where more challenging conditions are prominent and offers platform heights up to 9.75 meters and working heights up to 11.75 meters. Wide stance, self-centering scissor arms with clevis-style scissor ends help to increase stiffness and rigidity. The Skyjack electric rough terrain is powered by an efficient 48-volt DC 250 amp-hour capacity standard battery pack, which provides ample power for a typical workday. The optional 330 amp-hour AGM battery pack provides up to 35% more duty cycles per charge, while greatly reducing maintenance requirements. A hybrid option provides onboard power to recharge the battery pack and supplies power to the platform so that electric tools can be energized. In automatic mode, the generator will provide seamless battery charging when the operating charge declines to 50%. Manual mode allows the generator to be disabled for indoor use or activated to keep the batteries topped up in a high drain application. Compact rough terrain scissor lifts can be driven retracted in a wide range of conditions and grades. They can drive elevated on firm level ground. A rollout extension deck with folded down handles which can be locked in any position increases available workspace and provides added flexibility with good up and over capability. Standard automatic self-leveling outriggers are ideal for working on slopes and uneven ground. The upper control box features a proportional joystick with a safety enable trigger, thumb steer, function selector switches, charge indicator, operator horn, and an emergency stop button. Function controls for the auto leveling outriggers are conveniently located next to the main upper control box. Lower controls are clearly labeled and include a master disconnect switch, an emergency stop button, a key ignition switch, raise and lower function switch, and the battery charge indicator. The lift is easily raised or lowered using lift and lower function switches, and the master disconnect switch can be locked to prevent unauthorized use. Skyjack's compact electric rough terrain scissors utilize a unique full symmetrical crossover four-wheel drive system which delivers maximum torque to all wheels for traction and can climb up to a 45% grade. No vulnerable hydraulic components or hoses hang from under the chassis. Large, heavy-duty, lug-grip foam-filled tires tackle aggressive terrain conditions, and an inflated profile is maintained in the event of a puncture. When lowering the platform, the models will automatically stop when around 2 meters from ground level, and an alarm will sound. Before continuing, the control must be released, and checks made to ensure no person or physical obstructions are below the lift. All components are located inside robust steel swing-up doors, making them readily accessible to the hydraulic tank and gauge. AC electric motor, oil filter, and the convenient tilt-out hydraulic manifold. The battery compartment is also easily accessible to the batteries, connectors, and the multi-voltage, multi-frequency smart battery charger, which displays real-time information on supplied voltage, amp hours replenished, and charging status. The lifts are equipped with a tilt sensor which stops the lift drive functions if the maximum slope is exceeded when elevated. The compact rough terrain range features Skyjack's sky-coded numbered and color-coded wiring system for easy troubleshooting and reduced downtime. Power to ground is conveniently located at the base of the ladder at the rear of the machine. In the platform, provision for an AC outlet provides a convenient, easy-access power source for tools that require power and eliminates hanging cords. In event of a power loss, the platform can be manually lowered using the emergency controls by turning the override knob located on the end of the lift cylinders, and then pulling the lowering valve on the side of the unit. If the unit needs to be moved without power and is on level ground, turn off the master disconnect switch and make sure the tires are always chocked on opposite front and rear wheels to prevent the lift from rolling. Next, push in the brake auto reset valve and then push the brake hand pump. Once resistance is felt, the brakes are released and the lift will move freely without power for towing purposes. Before working at height, you should always complete a risk assessment in order to determine the right piece of equipment and the most appropriate PPE for the job. A proper visual and functional pre-start inspection is required before operating the lift. Inspect your surroundings and check for drop-offs, holes, overhead obstructions, electrical conductors, and any other possible hazards or obstructions. Always refer to the operator's manual for proper operating procedures. Skyjack scissor lifts offer a wide range of options and accessories. For additional information on Skyjack accessories, download our brochure at skyjack.com. For additional information and full product specification, visit skyjack.com or download the Skyjack app.